A very good afternoon, everyone. I'm at the Mohanam Heritage and Village Center, which is located in Auroville, who are working a lot into indigenous innovation and bringing the skill of women and doing many projects in regard to women empowerment and reskilling the women at the bottom of the pyramid by providing them the right resources, the space, and the right network that is needed for them, along with the market linkages also. This is a wonderful place, and I have collaborated with Mohanam, and I have started, in fact, staying at the Mohanam campus to continue my work as impact scientist. And in this journey, I've met a very special friend called Vibha, whom we are going to interview today because she has many unique things to share with us. Hi, Vibha.
Hi.
When did you come to Auroville?
Before 5 weeks ago.
5 weeks ago?
Yes.
Okay. And how do you like here in Auroville?
So lovely, and this place is like so lovely, and we are even getting airs and so good.
Right. Okay. Where do you live in Auroville?
Near Kachakarai, and it is just near Wellpaper.
Okay. Which school do you go to?
I'm not going to school.
Okay. Then how do you spend your time? Are you, what is the meaning of it?
I'm unschooler.
Okay. What is the meaning of unschooler?
Unschooler means self-learning. Like we read, and we can do playing, and sometimes we can see screens if we want, and we can go for cycling. We can do whatever we want.
Right. So, like that, what all do you learn?
I have learned about reading, cycling. I have gone cycling with my friends. There's one guy that he knows Orwell more better than me, so he only take all of us to the Orwell.
Okay. So, you do go for cycling with your friends and explore the beautiful cycling tracks in Auroville?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Do you know how to cook?
Yep.
Okay.
I know what should be. I can cook pasta, Maggi, and noodles, dosa, paratha, roti, any color, whatever food you would say I can make.
Without any help?
Yeah, but sometimes I can take help because
Okay.
I don't know more better.
Okay. Okay. What are the classes you go to in the week? What are the things that you learn?
I have done hip hop and gymnastic. So those classes were, and Bharatanatyam.
Okay.
But not I have learned. This is
Still starting Bharatanatyam? Okay.
Yep. So my hip hop is till Saturday, Sunday, and Tuesday
Okay.
till 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock.
Mm.
We have to leave by 5 o'clock, reach there 6 o'clock, and till night we have to do till 7 o'clock. 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock the classes.
Okay.
And gymnastic is Monday and Thursday that I have to be.
Okay.
So Monday and Tuesday it is by 5 to 7.
Okay.
So I will go, and this Thursday I'm going to take my mom with me
Okay. Okay.
to show what do I do in the class with my friends.
Mm-hmm.
I have Ananya, Mahanya, Saujanya, and I go, and this one boy that only he only knows the more better the Orwell.
Okay. Okay. So, what do you know about my work?
Your work is like if some people come, you want to know about their life, and they will tell about their life story.
Okay. And what else are the activities that you like to do here?
Here is
Do you come to Mohanam every day?
Yep.
So, do you plan to start working with me soon?
Yep.
Yes?
My work is to do with you talking whoever comes.
Okay. So, you're going to assist me and help me and give me ideas and collaborate with me
Yep.
so that we can find more interesting stories
Yep.
of women.
Yep.
Yeah? You like doing that?
Yep.
And what do you want to be when you grow up?
I'm thinking to be a makeup one.
Okay.
Because from now after 10 I'm going to buy a makeup set
Okay.
of Elsa and Anna, and I'm
Okay.
going to practice I'll do myself and my family,
Okay.
and then after I grow up, I'll take a makeup shop and do that.
Okay. So you do plan to make money
Yeah.
when you grow up
I'm-
with your skill.
Yep.
Okay. What are the other skills?
Other skills are like just right now I do makeup
Okay.
and hip hop, gymnastics.
Cool.
Those all are my skills.
Okay.
And
And when you are in Auroville, in Mohanam, every day, which is your favorite part of the day?
my favorite part is to be with you, and be with one more friend that you have, like Guru. And I love that when I have friends and I eat with them, I be very happy, and I be more happy that I have now a lot of big people like your height
Right.
and Guru's height,
Right.
and now I am having friends a lot, and I'm
Right.
being very happy.
Okay. That's awesome. And is there anything else you want to share with us? And is there anything interesting that you want to talk to us about?
The sharing is that you should just subscribe and ring the bell. Thank you.
Subscribe to what? You
To
do you?
our-
Okay, you have a YouTube channel.
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me a little bit about the YouTube channel, please, Vibha?
I have this one I'm taking with my friend,
Mm-hmm.
with you, and one more friend Mahani I'm taking with her,
Okay.
and one I taken alone. One is alone, one I am having the stitching.
Okay.
Next one Mahania, one is
Which means you know how to stitch.
Yup.
Okay.
And next one with the Mania one, it is the makeup one,
Mm-hmm.
and this one I'm talking about the life.
Okay. And what does Mama and Papa do here?
My mom and dad have meeting, and they love this place. First time we came here for a trial for 4 months, and my mom, so we all loved it. So we thought we'll shift here, and we shifted, and it only became 1 month that over shifting here.
Okay, so are you going to be in Auroville always?
Yeah,
Always.
yeah. But
Okay.
only till morning. When my mom and dad will leave, I'll also leave back with them.
Okay, but they also stay inside Auroville.
Yeah.
Yes.
We are living in Kotakare near Wellpaper, but
Okay.
we work inside our will.
Okay, so do you want to leave this place ever, or you want to travel?
I want to just stay here. I don't want to go back Mumbai, but I want to. I don't know what should be done, because over there I have friends.
Okay.
Here I can sleep nice, but over there I can sleep. But the horn.
Okay, horns
Okay,
will be
yeah.
there. Okay, so what is that you think girls have superpower?
Girls have about hating.
Okay.
Boys have about irritating girls a lot.
Okay, I thought girls and boys are almost equal, but they have differences.
Yep.
Okay. So are girls and boys treated differently in the world?
Like it.
It can be true. You think is a girl and boy equal?
I think so. It can be.
Yeah, it should be.
So I think it can be.
It can be. Yeah? Okay. Thank you so much for giving us this interview and being on my show. And I hope to start working with you soon. Thank you so much.
Bye.